Okay, welcome. So today I'm going to go through this trade I took on Wednesday, the 28th of August, I believe, a GBP USD long position. So let's pretty much just get right into it. So as you know, we'll go to Euro GBP first, as you can see. Now, Wednesday 28th, I mean, we're literally just coming down and down on Euro GBP, which is indicating that Euro is the better pair to sell and pound is a better one to buy. Okay, pound is stronger than euro, so I'm going to be looking to buy on pound dollar. So coming in on the Wednesday, which was right here, okay, Wednesday 28th of August, what did we see? Well, kill zone starts at 7, which is this line right there. 7 is kill zone. In terms of POIs, where are we? Yeah, POI, we have this and there's like this whole fair value gap as well. We have this area basically. This is what I'm talking about. Get that reaction off that. Then on the 1 minute, this was a really nice entry. What makes it even better is that there was a body close, which is always better. So, as I was saying, came here, swept liquidity as well. There was no breakers or structures at 7, okay? Because 7 is right there. We have liquidity resting below here. Okay, that was swept at 7, came down. I was looking at this swing high. Gets broken there, right there, if you can see, with a body close. Body closes are always better. Body close right there, low to high. Just give me 1 sec. There, low to high. Entry at EQ, standard entry right there. Okay, stops 5 pips. Don't really want to go below 5 pips. 1 to 2, done, simple. Like that gets traded in, like it hits take profit very quickly. Okay, so this is a very simple entry model, very simple strategy which you can repeat over and over again. Yes, they're going to be losses, but you just have to get, you have to accept that losses will happen. Okay, and every strategy has losses. It's taken me so long to actually understand that, but after taking so many losses, you kind of just become aware that it's going to happen. And if you just know that over a long sample size you're going to be profitable, then just take the trades. Okay, but this is a very simple trade. Okay, it's a very mechanical driven, like a process driven trade. Okay, swing high, broken with the body, imbalance is created, taps into EQ literally in that 1 minute, so you have to be kind of quick with this one. Taps in right there and hits to take profit. Okay, you can target 1 to 3, 1 to whatever, 1 to 4. I just go with a simple 1 to 2 because you can say 1 to 3 in hindsight, but if it didn't go to 1 to 3 and it just plummeted down after 2.62 risk to reward, then you'd be like, okay, why didn't I take out 1 to 2? So just to save that psychology issues, just take out 1 to 2, and that is pretty much the trade in a nutshell. So that's about it for today. Hope you understood the strategy. If you have any questions, let me know down below. That's all for me today. Happy trading, stay safe. I will see you in the next one.